Hey guys, it's me Navya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel and are seeing my face for the very first time, hi, it's so nice to meet you. And if you want to stick around, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed and are a part of my YouTube channel, thank you so much for tuning back in. So as you've read by the title, today's video is gonna be what I got for my 16th birthday. If you've missed any video from my birthday series, I've made a full playlist and I'll link it down in the description so you can check out or re-watch it if you already have watched it. But yeah, I'll be just showing you guys what all I got. And a little disclaimer, I am not bragging in any way, shape or form. And I'm very grateful and thankful that I've received these presents. I personally love watching these videos and I've always wanted to make my own. So here it is. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So let's start off with what my parents got me. They spoilt me this year once again, but everything was so unexpected. Like I literally had no clue about anything. So my dad got me a new laptop. It's the MacBook Air 2021 and it's rose gold, but I love it so much. Like a few months before my birthday, I told my dad that I wanted a new laptop because my old one wasn't really working. He already had this planned. I'm so thankful, so grateful. Thank you, Papa, for this. I love it so much. I was happy with that, but he also gave me another gift that I have been wanting for so long. I've been eyeing on that since like a long time. A pair of Nike Jordan lows. This is what they look like. I am obsessed, and they are in like this gray, black and white color. I love it. I've worn them once.
I was waiting for this video to get done, but now I'm gonna wear it literally every single day, wherever I go, whatever I wear. I'm gonna pair this with that, and I love it so much. So thank you, Papa, for this. I love it. They're amazing.
Now coming to my mom, the first thing that she gave me as a present are these earrings. First of all, she allowed me to get a second piercing and also got this thing, and I love it so much. I think it looks very pretty and I've always wanted to get a piercing done. So thanks mama for that. She also got me this Louis Vuitton purse. It's like a first copy of the original thing, and I've always wanted like a Louis Vuitton purse for such a long time, but they are so expensive. I never wanted to buy the original one because I don't think there's any point in buying a purse for that price. But I'm really happy that she got me this and I'm gonna use it a lot and I love it so much. So thank you mama for this. And also they organized the whole birthday party that I had with my friends, which was a blast. If you have missed the birthday vlog, go check it out. I'll link it right over here. Now moving on to my sister. So she got me the pink dress that I was wearing on my birthday, and I'll add a picture right over here, and I think it looks amazing. I loved it. All of my friends liked it as well. And she also got this very pretty purse from H&M. It's very like classy, bougie, and I would use this a lot, and I love bags. And I love shoulder bags, so this is perfect for me. So thanks man, I love it so much. Although she's only using it now, but yeah. So my mamu mami also came to my house on my birthday and they told me to order whatever I wanted, and I got these like perfect fitted jeans from H&M again. So yeah, this is what I got. I really like it. It fits amazing and I love it. So thank you Suman Mami and Sachin Mama for this. So next up, my Bua, she sent this very cute soap hamper for me, and it is so beautiful. It has like all different kinds of handmade soaps and it smells amazing. I've been wanting to try this out, but I was waiting for this video to get done and now I'll try out these, and I think it's such a unique and like useful gift. So yeah, thank you Bua for this. Now my cousin Manu Bhaiya, he also told me to get whatever I want, and I got this amazing jacket from H&M again. You know how much I love H&M by now, and yeah, this is what I got. It's like a very casual because winters are almost here and I love these stuff and to keep me warm throughout. So I got this, and yeah, thanks Manu Bhaiya for this. So Bunty Bhaiya and Rekha Bhabhi, they are like our house helpers, and they got this for me. They have like these handmade chocolates, and they know how much I love Kit Kat. So they got a Kit Kat and this, and they know I love chocolate. So this was such a nice gesture. I wasn't expecting this at all, but thank you so much. I love chocolates and I'm gonna try these soon. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to my friends. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with Ria. This is what she gave me. It's like a pack and it has quite a lot of stuff in it. So it has 2 scrunchies. This is what one looks like. I'm already using the second one. It's like satin, but it's good quality, so I really like this. She also got this very pretty wallet. It's like this blush pink color. It also has these chocolates, and then this has 2 hair clips inside. And she also gave me these face masks from Nykaa, and I really like it. Thank you so much, Ria. Now moving on to Niharika, she got this very aesthetic, very pretty binder. I really like the print, the colors are my favorites. I think I'm gonna use this so much. Niharika also gave me this handwritten card, and I'm always a sucker for handwritten notes. So thank you, Niharika, for the gifts. I love it so much. So Drishti, she got this ceramic cup. It says happy birthday, and I'm gonna add this to my collection because I have so many of these. And she also got this paper club notebook, which I think is super pretty, and I definitely am gonna use. You can never have too many notebooks, right? So this is from Drishti. Thank you, Drishti. So Bhumi, she gave me a phone cover. I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the cover that she gave me, and I literally have the same exact one with the same details. Mine is a little more dirty because I've used it a lot, but still I'm gonna keep this as a staple. So thank you, Bhumi. Then Prachi, she gave me cash, and I've ordered like a laptop case for that. Not yet here. I'm gonna say that the laptop case is from her, but she just gave me cash, and I ordered that laptop case from that. Okay, so next up is Avinashi. She gave this box to me, and when we open it, we have a bunch of things. First of all, it was so aesthetically pleasing when I opened it, and just to look at it, I love it. And the things that are in there are so useful. So first of all, 2 scrunchies. My friends know I love scrunchies. I have a few handmade chocolates. Then there's a hair styling cream. I've never used this. I really don't know how to use it, but I'm gonna Google, and I'm so excited to try this out. Then there's this kajal, which I think I'm gonna use as a liner. It's this brown color. I'll swatch it and show. It looks a little copper on camera right now, but it is brown, and I am gonna experiment with this as well. And then there's this very pretty dainty daisy necklace. I love it so much, and Avinashi knows that I love stuff like this. I think it is very beautiful. And last but not the least, it has this avocado face mask. But yeah, that was all inside the box. Thank you so much, Avinashi, for everything. I love it. Last but not the least, Mehek, she gave this bag. It's like this it got into my eye. It's like this fawn color. It's Burberry print, and I really like it. So yeah, thank you, Mehek, for this. But yeah, guys, that is everything. Thank you again to everybody who sent me gifts or wished me and made my day special. You guys are amazing. And yeah, that is it for today's video. And comment this emoji to get a shout out in my next video. I'll see you guys next Thursday with a brand new video.